Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss how to execute out-of-the-box use cases. For the execution, we need to log in to the tenant. On successful login, we will be able to see this welcome message from the CVA. If not, we need to try to log into the tenant again. We will enter a query here as cannot connect to the wireless network. On entering this query, it displays a few steps to be performed. After following all these steps, it asks for the confirmation if the issue is resolved. We need to select yes if the issue is resolved. If not, we will select no. On selecting no, it should show a few more steps for the issue to get a resolution. We need to follow all these steps, then the issue might get resolved. So, we have seen this is how the CVA responds to a query. Let's explore some scenarios where users might encounter different issues and seek assistance from our bot. A user wants to enable the pop-up blocker in Chrome web browser. After logging into the tenant, we enter the query, how to enable pop-up blocker in Chrome web browser? Upon clicking send, the query is processed, and the bot immediately provides the resolution steps for enabling the pop-up blocker in Chrome. In the next scenario, the user seeks assistance with setting up a meeting in Outlook, and the bot provides a solution to this query. We enter the query, how to set up a meeting in Outlook? And click send. The query is processed, and the bot responds with the necessary steps to set up a meeting. Let's consider another use case. Here, a user asks the bot for assistance with setting up an out-of-office message in Outlook. We enter the query, how to set up an out-of-office or vacation message in Outlook? And click send. The bot processes the query and provides the steps to set up the out-of-office message. In each of these scenarios, the bot efficiently processes the queries and provides clear, actionable steps to resolve the user's issues. Let's discuss another use case. Here we will discuss a scenario where the user interacts with a live agent. Once we successfully log into the bot, we will see the welcome message. Next, we will enter any query into the bot and click the send button. Upon clicking send, the CVA will respond with a few resolution steps. We need to follow these steps and then confirm if the issue has been resolved. After completing all the steps provided by the bot, it will ask for user feedback. If the issue is resolved, we will select yes. If not, we will select no. In this case, we will select no. The bot will then offer an option to chat with a live agent. We will click on the chat with live agent option, and the chat will connect to a live agent. Let's move to the agent console to understand how a chat takes place between a live agent and a user. To access the agent console, we will open a browser and enter the tenant URL. After the URL, we need to add a / and type agent. Let's discuss the agent console first. In the left navigation of the agent chat window, there are a few icons. Queue. A queue is a collection of chat transfers made to the human agents that are requested by the users. The user's issues are added to the queue on the agent chat dashboard. Active session. When an agent picks up a chat from the queue, it is referred to as an active session. Schedule session. It displays all the scheduled chat transfers for that agent. By default, it displays the scheduled transfers for that day only. Transfer history. It displays the agent's entire chat history including all the previous conversations. Desk agents. It displays list of active agents along with their respective active chat counts. Add user. It allows the agent to add an external user by clicking the add user icon. The agent needs to enter the user's email ID in the provided field. Once the email ID is entered, the connect button becomes active. Clicking the connect button sends a notification to the user. Sync setting and preferences is used to sync the agent's chat window. Profile displays the agent's name. The agent or supervisor can set the profile status here by selecting the Change Status option. The status is visible to other agents or supervisors who belong to the same desk. Notification icon displays all notifications or alerts. The agents receive the new chat requests that are added to the queue. This is the latest transfer added to the queue. When an agent accepts a request, it transitions to an active session where the agent can communicate with the user. The agent can view the entire conversation history between the user and the bot, and the user will see a message indicating that an agent has been connected. From the agent chat window, the agent sends messages that the user receives on the bot. Similarly, the user sends queries from the bot, which the agent receives in the agent window. For example, if the user asks, "Can you help me in deleting my signature?" This query will be displayed to the agent on the agent console. The agent then provides resolution steps to the user. In this case, the agent might suggest selecting the signature and pressing delete, then confirming the action by pressing yes. The user will receive these resolution steps on the bot and acknowledge the resolution provided by the agent. The agent will then confirm if the user needs any further assistance. Depending on the user's response, the chat will either continue or end. To end the chat, the agent clicks on the Leave Chat option on the agent console and confirms the action by selecting the appropriate reason to leave the active session. Agents also have the option to participate in shadow learning, if enabled from the admin setting page. When prompted, the agent can choose yes or no. If the agent selects yes, they can add variations, minimum 1, maximum 5, to use cases where the bot, AEX, was unable to assist the user. The agent chat window provides a list of such use cases. For example, if the use case is "help me to order a pizza," the agent can add variations and then click submit. The bot auto-learns this use case along with its variations added by the agent. If the bot could not help the user and the agent chooses to train the bot for that use case, the agent submits the variations from the agent chat dashboard. This request goes to the supervisor setting page for approval and appears under the Recommendations tab, where the supervisor can accept or reject it. Once approved by the supervisor, the request moves to the admin page for final approval. The admin can view this request in the Conversation Designer console under the Recommendations tab. Once the admin approves it, the bot is trained for this use case for future interactions. If the same query is entered in the X window or chatbot window, the bot will now be able to provide suitable solutions. This is how a chat takes place between a user and a live agent. Thanks for watching the video.